Good evening everyone. Today is my 13th video on the YouTube. I belong from Chaudhary family. Okay, so now today we are discussing about husband and wife relationship. Okay, so husband and wife relationship is a very beautiful relationship and amazing feeling. Okay, so I want to tell to you some persons, okay, their relationship is going is not perfect, and some persons are not understanding to one another person. That's why they are living in alone, and that's why they give to divorce to one another person, and sometime don't want to live it together. And so this video is for only that persons whose relationship is not going on correct. Okay, so please guys, husband and wife are similar. Okay, not a different kind of persons. Okay, so maybe their qualities will be different, their thinking will be different. Okay, but they are completed to one another person. Okay, so sometime maybe husband is a correct for any kind of decision, and sometime wife is a correct for any kind of decision. So if husband take any kind of decision after asking to wife, so wife should give support to husband for any kind of correct decision. Okay, and sometime if wife take any kind of decision, so husband should support to their wife. Okay, because it's a very pure relationship. Okay, so husband and wife should try to understand one another person feelings, emotions, and what they want to do. Okay, and give respect to one another person. It's a most important point. Okay, and always trying support to one another person. Okay, because you can solve your problems and the person can't solve your problems, so try to solve your problems by yourself. You shouldn't try to involve to another person in your relationship. Okay, if you are not being able to handle it properly, so you can involve to another person. Otherwise you have to try to solve your problems by together. Okay, and sometime wife want to do any kind of function, celebrate, yeah, any kind of festival want to celebrate it with you, so you should try to do celebrate, yeah. Because of the reason, what is the life if we are not enjoying anything? So what are we doing? Because life is so short. So you should try to enjoy with your wife, and you should try to give any kind of surprise also to your wife, and wife also should try to give surprise to their husband. So it's make our relationship is also strong. Okay, so So try to do any kind of work both are together, and please enjoy the life, enjoy the any kind of moment come in your life. And you should try to celebrate the any kind of festival also be together with all family members also. And sometime you should try to spend time with together also, okay? Because it's not possible always time you should try to celebrate any kind of festival with your all family members, okay? Sometime we have to take some space for our relationship, okay? Husband and wife relationship, okay? So you can understand to one another person problems, emotions, feelings and situation, or any kind of take a decision. Also you can share any kind of problem to one other person, okay? So that I want to suggest to you guys, please, one life we have so we should try to live it very perfectly. We should try to enjoy it, and we should try to solve our problems also. And please see, any person's had some good qualities and some bad qualities. So we should try to notice the good qualities of another person. We should try to ignore two bad qualities of another person, okay? uh, because we are a human being, right? It's a big difference between the animal and a human, okay? Human can understand any kind of problems and solve it also, but animals can't understand. So we should try to keep humanity in our relationship, okay? We should try to keep trust, understanding, care, love, respect in our relationship, okay? In any kind of relationship, if 5 things are involved in any kind of relationship, so I'm sure that relationship will be always going on the long lasting time, okay? And remember it, love is not in present in beautician, yeah, beauty, okay? Beauty is present in the love, so try to follow it, okay? So please guys, live happy, keep smiling, and try to save your relationship, okay? We hope you like this video. If I have done something wrong, I say something wrong, so please you can do comment to me. And if you like this video, so please do comment, like, subscribe this channel and share to anything more people. We hope we will meet in the next video very soon. तब तक के लिए bye bye, take care, love you all of you, stay safe, stay home.